Good afternoon, class. And today we have a new topic. But before we start our discussion, kumusta naman mo? How are you? Fine, you are okay? So, I guess you are all okay. So, can I ask Miss Sarah to lead a prayer?
Any kind of
have two pieces of paper, I want you to follow my instruction. So, imagine that this is your paper. This is the half of your paper. Put it on the ground. Floor. Then your arm here. Your arm here. Then move your two paper close to each other. Close to each other. Force it. Force it. Force it. Force it. So, what do you notice? When you push, when you push the what did you notice? So, upon forcing the paper, upon pushing it to each other, one part of it goes up. Yeah, and it's like they are combining. Yes. Yes. So the next experiment is separate the two. Then combine it. And imagine that there is a point that pushing it through, like this, pushing it through like this. So just a piece of your paper, one piece of your paper. Then point your finger on it, just like this. Then push it, push it, push it, push it, until it breaks in half. And then it breaks in half. So what did you notice?
It became a volcano.
It became a volcano.
The paper, there's a hole in the paper.
There's a hole in the paper. So did you notice that when you push your finger upwards, there's some kind of the ground tension in the ground seems building like a mountain.
Yes.
Feels like a mountain. So, but even so, there is a hole in the center. So that is like a valley. When you see a valley, there is a mountain on the side, and the center is a hole. It's like a river. Because back then the ground is flat, but there is some kind of tension that pushing it together that makes it a hole, divided in half. Then the last one is divide your last paper into half. Divide your last paper into half. Then place it like this. Slide it closer to each other. Slide it. Just like this. Slide it. So what did you notice on the paper when you slide it?
There are passages that are sliding to each other.
Sliding to each other, and the ground breaks houses, and at the same time it pushes boats to the land. The next one is a valley. Few years ago, this ground is flat, but because of this movement or because of this load, then it became a valley. And the third one is just like the paper made waves, and at the same time the paper made a destruction. So for example, kung sa una, ang inyong papel kay lento patanawon straight pa. But kung inyong inanaan, slide nyo sa sigkapiling, naanay kumpot, naanay gurut-gurut. So may nga po, sa una this road is flat, but because of the sliding of tectonic plates, it become destroyed, become messy. So, going to our discussion, first one is subducting truth. One tectonic plate sliding under another. This creates the strongest earthquakes. So why it became the strongest earthquakes? Because one branch covers the other, and it makes the strong earthquake since it covers, and at the same time it produces tsunamis and a strong shaking of the ground. That's like this. Tambunan na ilang island, at the same time nagkukubod sila og tsunami. Because of disaster. But the stretching zone, two plates pulling away from each other. The stretching breaks the earth's crust and forms valley. So just like you see in here, there the crust is break, then there's a hole in the center, it makes a valley. So sa una, the ground is flat, but ang pressure sa lalong kay gabukal na ba? Mura siya o kanang nilungag na gabukal. So when you see a nilungag na gabukal, iba ang taklog kay magtuntol-tuntol gina, diba? Kay ang pressure, gina makagawas ang pressure. But sa ground, wala kagawasan ang pressure. So ang pressure, i-push siya pataas, andun sa nag-isip niya ang ground. Andun sa nag-divide ang ground, then it forms a valley throughout the time. Then the last one is slip zone. Plates slide past each other. This causes many earthquakes. So this one refers to the tectonic fault line. Do you know what is fault line?
Yeah, like when there's earthquakes or
When there's an earthquake.
yeah,
So
there's a fault line.
do you remember the disaster of Cebu?
What time?
The
Today class?
recently.
Sa Bugos?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That one is caused by
Earthquake.
earthquake.
Yes.
So what kind of earthquake?
Earthquake.
ground shake. The ground is sliding with each other. So that's why when we have a tectonic, when we have a line, do you call it line again? Fault line. So kung na volcanic eruption, ay na po siya fault line. Ang pag-slide ay magsunod-sunod bitaw. Na naman siya fault line daan, so dili siya parehas sa kuwan, di siya parehas sa stretching zone. Nga wala po siya kalaganan, wala po yung kalaganan ng pressure. Di po siya parehas sa subductive zone. Nga muan ang kuwan, naog sa ground ang kuwan, ang tectonic plates. So mao lang pagbuto sa vulkan, ang may fault line. So mag-slide din na sila. Which cause a disruption like this. Yeah, dili man kaayo ingon kay ngani kada ko mag-cause with your collapse. And sometimes it cause landslide too. So our activity for today is I will group you into again. Determine what is the body's movements. Determine kung unsay kinakusgan nga movements ani nila or unsay ginabihag distraction. So I will give you 3 minutes.
Can you go in front, sir? Take a closer look.
Yes.
What is it? It is change or biggest destruction?
Biggest change. Okay, ikuha na lang. Biggest change and biggest destructions. Representative that explains the most destructive, and one for the most transformation. One for the biggest destruction and one for the biggest transformation.
Because we consider many things, sir. The lives of the people, the houses, the place, and their family, their businesses, sir. Because of this, as you can see, that almost the houses are taken down, and almost the roads are divided with different parts of the house. So we can consider that there are many houses that destroyed, lives that were taken, businesses that shut down, and the environment also.
So that's right. For the biggest destruction is the subductive zone. It causes tsunamis, it causes house collapse, and it causes a combination of two tectonic plates. So kung makita niyo diri, ang usa ka buwan Pressure. Pressure. So, wala rin siya tagawasan, no? Wala rin siya tagawasan. So, kani siya, usaka gini siya. Andun sa mabangag ni sila. So, kana pagbangag na bumalik na kung galong ang kain na layo. Bumalik kung galong ang laba. Pagbalik ka na, dili na mumugo din ko. Dili na mumugo din. Kani siya, kani yuta, ang grab. Dili na siya magpanao. So, masya magawa siya grab. Okay, ngayon. So, kani siya sa una, flat gini siya. Dahil tungkol sa pressure, na-aware siya. Dahil, na-anabila siya. So, ang kaning alaba, ibalik ko rin siya sa lalo. But kaning mountains, wala siya ibalik sa lalo. Digahit niya siya dira. Dahil, tungkol sa kadugay yun, nagkambulan eh. Dahil ligahit na, kung ano yung nag-create siya o balik. So, inyong nagtawol, it has no rivers in it. It has no waters. But, it has a curved shape. Then in this one, the sliding. So, get a 1/4 sheet of clothing. So, we have assessment. So, when the answer is subtractive, you say, you write A. When the answer is stretching, B. And when your answer is strikes in zone, C. So the first question is colliding. What zone is colliding? Colliding. Charlie, what zone is colliding? So the next question is, what zone is like a car passing to each other? A car passing to each other. The next one, what zone makes a hole at the center? What zone makes a hole at the center? So, exchange your paper. So the first question, what zone collides each other? A. Why do you say so?
Because they are sliding under another and another.
So the second one.
C.
Why do you say so?
Because under the pressure they are below. That's why it's C.
doing this is important, so you can have a strategy on how you can prevent it. So when we don't know some about earthquakes, but we can prepare on it.